There's a reason. There's a reason we have more cars, more brands, and more selection than any other dealer in Michigan. There's a reason we have more highly trained team members than any other dealer in Michigan. The reason is you. For over 70 years, the consistent support of great customers like you has helped the Suburban collection grow to 43 Michigan locations, selling 34 different brands. But what does this all mean for you? It means that we have more ways to make your purchase, service, and overall automotive experience the best in Michigan. From your first car to your dream car, and everything in between.
Like there's cup holders when you pull the seat down. That's a pretty nice car. My mom has it.
Go to drivesuburban.com and get your car today.